So we're going to take a look at the underbody here. We're going to take a look at the original skid plates and how durable they are. Looking kind of flimsy. All right, we're going to take down this factory skid plate here. So if this gets punctured, some of the important things down here are going to be the front motor and high voltage wires. Okay, so this is the factory and this is the TEZspex. It's going to be a lot more durable. So this material is going to take an impact and it will keep its shape. Same panel, but a lot more durable. This is going to give you excellent protection on your motor and your high voltage wires here on the front. I'm going to open up the back panel. So that was rocks and some debris that kind of just fell out of here as well too. Pretty cheap. This is going to be the rear motor, and it's also going to have the autopilot control, and I believe is here in the back as well too. Feels very durable. We got everything secured and protected. Front motors, high voltage wires. Same thing in the back. All protected, ready to go.